Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to recover your Hotmail account. So let's get started. At first let's get into Hotmail, that is Outlook app. Now click on add account. Now here we can see our account, or you can simply type your account name as well. Now enter your email address. And click on continue. Now here we need to enter the password. If you do not know, simply click on forgotten your password. Make sure you have already set your recovery email address. So let's tap on this and enter the recovery email address and click on get code. We get the 6-digit code and our email, so let's get into it and click on next. Now simply enter the new password and click on next. So now we are in Hotmail interface. This is all we need to do to recover our account if we forgot password in Hotmail. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.